welcome to channel Dr. Funny Joke. Don't forget the likes and subscribe the channel Dr. Funny Joke. So these three lawyers are zooming along a country road, lose control, and plow into the back of a gravedigger's truck. The gravedigger pulls himself out of his truck and he's okay, but the lawyers are kind of messed up, so he buries them right there on the spot, and walks into town and calls the sheriff. "Sheriff," he says, "terrible accident I just had. 3 lawyers in it, they was all dead, so I buried them." The sheriff says, "What? You went ahead and buried them? Are you sure they were dead?" The gravedigger says, "Yeah, they said they wasn't, but you know how those fellas lie.